In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for planning and managing your social media content, a process you can set up in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make this as simple as possible. First, head over to the Monday.com website. This tool is fantastic for organizing various projects, and today we're focusing specifically on social media management. Once you are there, locate the login button in the upper right corner of the page. Give that a click to proceed to the sign in options. Now you have a couple of choices. You can either sign in with Google if you prefer a seamless connection with your existing Google account, or type in the email address you'll be using for this project. If you choose to sign in with Google, simply find and select the appropriate email address from your list. This might take a few extra seconds if you have multiple accounts, but it's straightforward. After logging in, you'll want to create a new board which will act as the central hub for your social media planning. Look over to the left side of your screen in the workspace area and you'll see a plus sign button. Click on that to begin the creation of your new board. Next is to locate the boards section. Once there, you'll notice an arrowhead like symbol beside boards. Click on this to open up additional options. From the menu, select start with template. This feature within Monday.com allows you to quickly get going with preset templates that are tailor-made for different uses. For social media, a dedicated template can greatly simplify things. Now, you'll find yourself at the template page. Use the search bar to type in social media. This will filter out relevant templates you can use. Click on the social media planner template when it pops up. Once you've clicked on the template you want, the next step is to click on use template. And just like that, you have a working template ready for your social media accounts. This template organizes your posts, deadlines, and any other tasks you might want to keep track of. From here, you have the flexibility to edit the contents and columns based on your specific needs. Whether it's adding new fields, changing labels, or setting reminders, you can customize this board to fit your strategy perfectly. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you now have a powerful tool at your disposal for managing your social media content. It's efficient, it's organized, and above all, it's designed to save you time so you can focus on creating engaging content.